My people, things dey happen for inside life oh, things dey happen. Na person dead body una just dey see so. Na for mortuary na dem go carry am. Dem say this mortuary dey for Oka. They say dem wan go carry their person make dem go bury am. Na dem come see say dem use cellophane take cover some part of e body for inside belle. Na dem come dey ask dem say why e be say hole come dey here? I go put am for una make una see am, my people. Why e be say hole come dey this place? Wetin una do? Wetin make una comot some part of e body wey una come put this hole for here? Una come put all this cellophane with everything, put am for inside e body make people no notice say una operate am. Hey, no be small thing no, my people. Which kind wahala be this one? Person go kpai, dem carry am go mortuary. Dem wan go carry am now, dem no come give am the way wey dem take give dem. I no understand why. Wetin be all this one? And the mortuary dem dey pay put o, no be small money o. Na dem come dey ask this man wey be say e wear blue. So this man wey una dey see for here say wetin happen? Na the man come dey explain say no be him dress the dead body o, na him boys na him dress the dead body. Na dem come dey ask am say wetin make una open him chest abi na him belle? I no come know where dem open, my people. Why una come put something? Una no even tell the family say see wetin una do. My people, I just tired as I dey watch this video. The thing dey shock me say this kind thing dey happen. If you fit just be now say dem just operate am comot something for a body or dem wan go sell am, una know the way wey dem take dey do. Dem say as far as say the person don kpai, the thing no need am for e body. But na the family suppose to talk o. Na the family suppose to say make una operate am, make una comot something for e body o. But which one the people wey dey mortuary come dey do like this? Hey, na wow, nothing wey Musa no go see, nothing wey we no go see o. Person just kpai, una remove something for a body. Like say these people now, they no come check. They for no know say something is missing. Maybe they for they do am. Na this one I come hook them for neck. Make I put the video for una, make una watch. Hey, wonder shall never end o. May the man so rest in perfect peace. Now, wow.
Are you videoing everything? Let me ask you a question now. Wait. I think he can go at once here. Yes, better you are. Officer, I think. Now, I mean, what you cellophane, okay, all your cellophane.
Hey, it's okay. On a Ọmọ mi accident. Ọmọ ayé gbá mi 2 months. The operator. Ọmọ ayé gbá mi 2 months. Wọ́n ìwà sùn lórí ọ.
Ọ̀gá ìbéèrè tábìlì wẹ̀ bá àmú bẹ́ẹ̀ náà látọ̀.
Mr. Man, come. Mr. Man. Hey, Mr. Man, you need to be from there. Listen to me there. Just remember, don't be young.
You say I should be there.
Look at the officer. Ah, no.
Be with me, please.
Can you hear me? The environment where you embalm. Wetin call this envelope inside the stomach?
My boss, maybe you know here, believe in the street since. Hand, another person hand, call the office of this man. Come in that place, as a mate. So, as the one come and I'm my boss, me no one did the wrong. This soap.
All those dirty
cover that place. No say.
All those leather wey dey inside the stomach wey dey load. All those leather wey dey load inside the stomach, wetin cause am?
That one.
All this dirty
That place. It can take that place.
This man is lie. Why is our feet black? It's not that. Why is our feet black? Why is our feet black? It's not that. You tell me what to call it. Why is our feet black? Why be like this? Where nano? Where nano?
Oga mi.
Hey, wait!
Finally.
When I work now, Muja.
Finally find out. Nice. Police.
Yeah.
We call police. Override the entry. But we cannot do this one. The police will come here, they'll come and do their right thing. It's police work. Case.
God bless you.
Now, as we be like this now, we try our best. This man, if we can pardon,
He's not ready to say the truth.
wait.
Okay, I don't tell you that.
Yeah.
This is pardon the other people.
We put this on pending. Yes. Cover am.
The real truth is
Ọ̀yá wa fi hàn ẹ̀wẹ́. Ọ̀nà wa fi hàn ojú.
Okay, I have to fill a permit. But I have to fill a permit. The reason I go fill a permit, I have to initially.
Adego mo bo nya ona zo ipa pe gbe o. Adego bo na mo nya o fi egwu ebe na flower du na.
Ọmọ na muro ma say 2 months. Since October, I think 22nd. For what reason now? For what reason? Ma bu me yo si no kiwe mortuary. Aya mu ebe no yo yi.
Why will my